All right, so just like the weather forecast predicted, it is going to be raining out here today, which is great. It might rain in the afternoon around 1, but right now I'm kind of just taking advantage of the moody clouds we have out here today. It's been mostly clear the entire time I've been out here, and boy, today it just looks really, really moody out here. Look at that. So my first stop of the day is this bridge right here on the Apache Trail. I've already taken a few photos earlier. I also took a panorama and a few long exposures as well. Right now I'm just shooting a time lapse. I'm really hoping to capture some thunderstorms out here, but we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I have luck today, but we'll see. I'm gonna wrap it up here and I'll see you guys at the next one. All right, so right now I'm at the second stop of the day, and I'm shooting this cactus here with the lake just behind it here. I kind of just stopped on the side of the road and hiked down a bit, and originally I was gonna shoot that one right over there, but I was a little bit too tall and I couldn't really squeeze it into the composition, so walked a little bit more and found this one here. Oh man, so that was absolutely insane. It began raining out of nowhere. I had to run. Actually, I had to sprint towards the car. I got soaking wet. Man, that was nuts. It was actually hailing, and I got hit by a few little ice rocks, but man, that was intense. I'm gonna start driving and get up out of here because I don't want to get caught in a flood. I'm kind of parked on the side of a hill right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and get going. But man, that was intense. I did get incredibly lucky. I was able to shoot some thunder. I had just the perfect timing and I got a great shot, so it was definitely worth it. Man, I am all soaked now, which is unfortunate, but it was definitely well worth it. Anyway, my camera's getting really fogged up right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and get driving here in a bit and get going. So I'll see you guys in a few. All right, so I just got back to the Superstition Mountains. I wasn't planning on stopping here originally. I was just planning on kind of just driving through here, but check this out. Insane. I've never seen anything like it out here before. So right now I'm shooting a time lapse. The clouds are moving pretty fast, and we'll see how it goes. I'm hoping to get some more thunderstorms out here, but let's see what else the day has in store for us. So far it's been a really productive day. I got completely soaked earlier when I was at the lake, but this is actually not rain, it's hail. Wow, insane. Oh man, wow. Never seen anything like this before. Super cool. But I'm gonna go chill in the car for a bit and just wait this one out while I get this time lapse. But I mean, wow, this looks absolutely insane. Wow, look at this hail, man. All right, I'm gonna run back to the car. It's starting to get really cold out here, especially because I got wet earlier. So I'm gonna wait this one out. Man. That was insane. Can't believe it's hailing out here. It said it was supposed to rain, but wasn't expecting this at all. But wow, what a day today, guys. It's totally worth it. Guess third time's a charm, right? All right, well, I'm gonna see what else I find out here, and I'll see you guys in a bit.